In this video, whether you have been using Alipay app for a very long time or you are new to Alipay app, here is the important things you need to know about Alipay membership. And in this video, I will show you how to check your Alipay membership and at the same time how you claim your point to upgrade of your Alipay membership, to upgrade your Alipay membership from ordinary or primary member to gold or silver, as the case may be. Open up your Alipay app. Click on more right here. Click on all. From the section here, go ahead and make sure you look for member. So here you go. Click on member. And it's going to take you right here. Allow everything to load up right here. And then if you have any membership point to claim, all you have to do is simply click on here. So at the time of making this video, I have about 2 points to claim right here. Go ahead and click on here to claim the 16 points. And you are done. So at the time of making this video, I'm currently a gold member right here. And there are a lot of things that attach to this membership of a thing in your Alipay account. Just make sure you track your membership status and you always claim your point. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.